All right, guys, it is day 17, and we're gonna kind of move back into some of the stuff we've already done, adding a few new things, but starting on our sides for those side lying crunches today, okay? So go ahead and bring it on down. We'll start in 3, 2, 5 minutes on the clock. Bottom shoulder, remember, comes down, feet together, and then I want you to bring it all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. Remember to modify by bending the knees if needed, but I really want you to push into this bottom hand and forearm, okay? You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch, okay? Quick switch, other side. You can flip. I'm just gonna roll in 3, 2, 1. Come up. Good. Come up. Come up. And up. Beautiful. 8. Give me some work. 7, 6. Notice we're not going super fast. 5. It is harder to go slow. 3, 2. Ready? Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Meet me in forearm plank, okay? Good. Now, you're going to dip your hips right, left, right, left. Good. Right, left, right, left. One more time to the right. One more time to the left. Good. Lay back down on your side. Give me 6 instead of 12. 3, 2, 1. Bring it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it. 3, 2. Flip it. Switch sides. All right. 3, 2, 1. We go 6, 5, 4. I feel this. 3, 2. Up, up, up. Hold it. 3, 2. Flip it. Forearm plank. Raise your hips. Dip your hips. Left, right, left, right, left, right. One more time left. One more time right. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Now, tops of your feet are down. This is a hard one depending on the flexibility in your ankles and your shins. So if you have shoes on, it makes it a little bit easier. And if you can't do it, you're going to tuck your toes and you're going to lift up and then untuck your toes to come down. Okay? Otherwise, tops of your feet are down. Push and then lower all the way. Good. Push and then lower. Oh, baby. Give me 4. Lower. 3. Lower on your backs. And 2. Come on. Lift your butt up higher than you think you should. Up. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Lower. Good. Press it to hands and knees, and then give me that quick flip onto your back. Almost done. Hands behind your head. Twist, twist, twist. Notice I'm not fully extending my legs because I'm focusing on picking up my shoulder blades. And if your hip flexors are really tight or sore, this can be a good way to alleviate some tension if you're feeling any. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, less than a minute. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Hands under butt. Legs in the air. Lower down slow. Diagonally lift to one side. Bring it back to center. Lower down slow. Diagonally lift to the other side. Come back to center. Lower down. Diagonal lift. Center. Lower. Diagonal lift. Center. One more each side. Lower. Diagonal lift. Feel those obliques. Woo, we're burning those out today. Lower. Diagonal lift. and then center. Good. Big rock up to seated. Quick flip, high plank, okay? Twist it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good job today, guys. Really fired up those obliques, brought you back to some stuff we'd already done and added some new. See you tomorrow.